Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice transcript unavailable problem. Now, to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is simply go and open your Play Store. And once you open your Play Store, you should search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp like so, you'll have to click on the WhatsApp application and click on update and make sure that you have the latest update of WhatsApp. Now, once you finish the update, you should go and open WhatsApp and see if your issue is fixed or not. If you still have the issue, you can go to the second method after that. And to apply the second method, you can go back, open the settings of your phone, then search here for WhatsApp, or simply go back, scroll down till you find here apps section, then go to manage apps and search here for WhatsApp. You should find it just right here. Here I have found it. Tap on it, then go to storage, click on clear data, click on clear cache, click on OK, and now you have cleared the cache. Now go back again and click on force stop. And once you click on force stop, click on OK, and it will force stop WhatsApp application from your phone. Now we can go back, restart your phone. After restarting, you can go and open WhatsApp application. Click on these three dots on the top right side, go to settings, scroll down. They find here chats, tap on it, and here you will find the voice message transcripts. Just click on it and you can choose the language as you can see. If you still have the problem, you can go and uninstall the application from Play Store, uninstall it, then reinstall it again and check if your issue is fixed or not. And you can even join the beta program and you will be able to try this feature when you join the beta program. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.